In this video, we will discuss recommendations for selecting the best location for the indoor and outdoor units of a split air conditioner. Let's start by mentioning that there are basically three types of configurations. Option 1. Indoor unit at the same level as the outdoor unit. A. When executed well, this can be the best option of all possible configurations, especially when the distance between the indoor and outdoor units is minimal. B. The inclinations of the pipes must be respected to further improve the return of oil that leaves with the refrigerant in the compressor's discharge. C. In cases where the distance between the units increases, oil traps are not required, which favors performance and cooling capacity by minimizing the pressure drop of the refrigerant gas within the pipes. D. As a disadvantage, if the indoor unit is close to the outdoor unit, depending on the characteristics of the location, there may be a higher chance that the noise from the outdoor unit affects the indoor space. Option 2. Indoor unit above the outdoor unit. A. With this configuration, in systems with long distances requiring oil traps, these traps should be made in the thin pipe, so the pressure drop generated by these affects the electrical consumption slightly less. B. Oil traps in thin pipes significantly affect the cooling capacity, as pressure drops in this pipe reduce the amount of liquid refrigerant that reaches the evaporator. Make curves with the largest possible radius to minimize pressure drop. C. With the correct pipe inclinations, when the system is off, part of the oil in the evaporator falls by gravity to the compressor suction. D. There is a higher risk of the compressor experiencing liquid slugging, as the liquid refrigerant tends to accumulate in the outdoor unit, which is in a lower position. E. Overall, when this configuration is done correctly, it presents less pressure drop in the compressor suction, which favors electrical efficiency. Option 3. Indoor unit below the outdoor unit. A. To ensure the return of oil from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit in systems with a large separation, we must create oil traps in the thicker pipe. These traps must be carefully made, as unnecessary pressure drops in the thick pipe directly increase electrical consumption. B. All system curves should have the largest possible radius to avoid unnecessary pressure drops, which can increase electrical consumption. C. There is a lower risk of the compressor experiencing liquid slugging, as the liquid refrigerant tends to accumulate in the indoor unit, which in this case is in a lower position. D. When the system is off, there is no gravity oil return,